Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2022 Seat Arona FR. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 108 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 53 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 12 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 25,000 miles and comes with full service history from Seat. This particular colour combination is the metallic sapphire blue with the black roof there, which I think matches really well. And as you can see, it's in great condition, third year mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. You have the red stitching on the seats there, which also then matches the air vents on the dashboard as well. Onto the dashboard itself, you've got your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features I can mention. The car also has climate control and also automatic headlights and wipers. Cruise control there on the left hand side of the steering wheel. And finally, on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. For a small SUV, you've got a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. Nice wide door opening, so ideal if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and it's good to see the car's still got the original carpet floor mats from Seat too. And opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. You also have the adjustable floor, which is at its lowest point at the moment, but you can increase that if you wish. And below that you have some extra storage as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the 17-inch alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you would like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.